I randomly stumbled across the owner of this 1953 Chevy outside of Walmart. And even still, he had quite the story to tell. This Chevy has been in his family for 3 generations now, and he plans to keep that going.
My name's Chad Bridge. I've got a 1953 Chevrolet 3100. It's been in the family for 25 years. My dad and his best friend built the truck 25 years ago. His friend passed away about 10 years ago. My uncle bought the truck and he let it sit for about 5 years, the last 5 years he had it. So I got it from him about a year ago. We painted it under the carport at my dad's house. Slowly but surely started cleaning up the interior, painted the motor in place, carburetor on it, bringing it back to life, put flamethrowers on it. It's got underglow LEDs. It's pretty much my daily driver when the weather's right.
Nice. What size of wheels and tires you got on here?
It's 15 inch by 9 on the back and 15 by 8 on the front. I bought the truck from my uncle for me and my son to rebuild the truck. So it's got 3 generations now working on it. My dad, me, and my son. He helped a little bit. It was supposed to be his when he graduated, but I worked on it more than his, so now he's got to wait till I die. But,
sounds good. Still a pretty sweet deal, though.
Yeah. It's been fun. My dad's got a 53 panel wagon.
Okay.
It's called Twisted Sister. You might see it around. It's been cruising on the coast. It'll be there this year.
Okay, cool.
But yeah, it's become a family tradition.
Yeah, what size engine you got in it?
It's a small block 400.
Small by 400.
Yeah.
Transmission?
Turbo 350.
Okay.
For now.
All right. What's your plans in the future with it?
Drive this motor till it dies, and then either do an LS swap or a 383.
That's exactly what I was about to ask. Are you going to LS? Are you going to swap it?
Yeah, there's a buddy of mine and my dad's that's what he does in retirement, and it's definitely an option.
Sounds good, man. Man, thank you for your time, Chad.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.